Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to uninstall this update, that is KB5013943 from your Windows 11 computer. For this you can open Windows 11 settings, then go to Windows Update, then go to Update History. Scroll down, then click on Uninstall Update. Now select the update which was recently installed, and on the top you will see the uninstall option. Click on Uninstall, click on Yes, and let the uninstallation complete. Now click on Restart Now to restart your computer. Now after the system restart, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to my Google Drive. I have uploaded Show and Hide Troubleshooter to my Google Drive. So click on Download. And once the download is complete, run this file. Now this is Show and Hide Troubleshooter from Microsoft. So click on Next and let the search complete. Now click on Hide Updates and you should be able to see the update which you have just uninstalled. In my case, it's KB5013943. Click on Next and let the process complete. Now once done, close this window. Now next time when you go to settings and when you go to Windows Update and when you click on check for update, it will skip that particular update. So it will not install that update anymore. So this is how you can uninstall this update from your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.